The night sky holds more than just stars. It holds secrets that fall to Earth as silent messengers from realms unknown. Sometimes what crashes into our planet isn't just a rock. Sometimes it's something else, something not made by nature, but by intelligence. For centuries, humanity has watched as meteorites streak through the atmosphere, fiery fragments from space hurling toward our world. Most are dismissed as space debris, remnants of ancient asteroids or broken planetary bodies. But every so often, a meteorite is found with something strange, something that doesn't belong, something that changes everything we think we know about the universe and our place in it. In 1885, a meteorite crashed into the small village of Krasnoyarsk in Siberia. It was unlike anything seen before. Inside the metallic mass, scientists discovered patterns, geometric shapes etched within the iron itself. These weren't carvings, they weren't man-made, they were called Widmanstätten patterns. And though science explains them as natural crystal formations from extremely slow cooling in space, they resemble intentional design, almost like metallic blueprints. But that was only the beginning. Fast forward to the 1970s. Soviet geologists working in the Ural Mountains uncovered something even stranger buried deep in sedimentary rock. Tiny, perfectly coiled spirals, microscopic, made from tungsten and molybdenum, metals that require industrial-level heat to manipulate. These artifacts were found at depths corresponding to tens of thousands of years of geological history. They were named the Eurospiral objects. No modern drilling or mining could have placed them there. No known civilization could have created them at the time. Some dismissed them as debris from nearby military tests. But the metallurgy didn't match. The size, some as small as 1/30th of a millimeter, was beyond the capacity of even our current nanotechnology. They weren't made by us, and they weren't supposed to be there. Then there's the mysterious case of the Nakhla meteorite. In 1911, it fell in Egypt. When studied, it was confirmed to have originated from Mars. But inside it, scientists discovered something chilling: microscopic structures that resembled fossilized bacteria. Tubular formations intertwined in a way eerily similar to life on Earth. NASA officially acknowledged that these formations resembled microbial life. Of course, debate erupted. Some claimed contamination after it landed. Others insisted the structures were formed in Martian conditions long before the rock ever reached Earth. If true, it would mean life once existed on Mars, or still does, and it might not be so different from us.
But perhaps the most unsettling discovery came in 1996 when NASA scientists analyzed another Martian meteorite, ALH 84001, found in Antarctica. Under electron microscopes, they detected carbonate globules and organic molecules. Again, structures that mimicked fossilized microorganisms. This wasn't imagination, it was documented. In fact, President Bill Clinton addressed the nation, saying, "It speaks of the possibility of life." The scientific community split. Was it proof of ancient Martian biology? Or were we staring at something far older and far more alien? Meteorites aren't just messengers of minerals and metals. In 2011, in Sri Lanka, a meteorite fragment revealed diatoms, complex, silica-based microscopic organisms. Their symmetry and structure mirrored freshwater life on Earth, but the area was dry. Scientists like Professor Chandra Wickramasinghe, a respected astrobiologist, argued that this was no contamination. He claimed it was evidence of panspermia, the theory that life didn't originate on Earth but was seeded from space. He wasn't alone. Fred Hoyle, a legendary British astronomer, supported the same idea. that comets and meteorites may carry organic life across galaxies, seeding planets like spores in the wind. Then there's the 2012 Camille meteorite impact site in Egypt, discovered via satellite imagery. Among the recovered debris, some researchers reported geometric metal fragments, highly refined and resembling manufactured alloys. The idea that intelligent life could seed technology alongside biology seemed more plausible than ever. Were these tools? Were they probes? Or were they messages waiting to be understood? Not all mysteries hide in plain sight. Some are etched into the very atoms. A meteorite found in the Yukon Territory contained isotopic ratios that defied explanation, variations in oxygen isotopes that couldn't be formed naturally on Earth or within the known solar system. These anomalies point to unknown origins, perhaps even interstellar space. This is not theory. This is laboratory data. And then came Oumuamua. Though not a meteorite, this interstellar object entered our solar system in 2017 and did things no asteroid should do. It accelerated as it passed the sun, without any visible propulsion or cometary tail. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb suggested it might be alien technology, perhaps a solar sail or reconnaissance probe. He faced ridicule from many in the scientific establishment, but he didn't back down. The object was long gone before we could get a closer look, but it left a trail of questions in its wake. All these fragments, these stones from space, carry with them more than cosmic dust. They carry anomalies, patterns, organic traces, metallic mysteries, microscopic machines. Each case could be explained in isolation, an error, a contamination, a coincidence, but taken together, a pattern begins to form, a pattern that challenges everything we think we know.
Why do certain meteorites contain carbon nanotube-like structures, long before we had the ability to create them? Why have synthetic-like alloys, materials engineered for extreme durability, been found embedded in fragments from space? Why are we constantly finding organic molecules, amino acids, and sugars in meteorites, even those that fall today, like the Murchison meteorite in Australia? The Murchison meteorite alone contains over 90 different amino acids, many not found on Earth. It's also been found to contain nucleobases, the building blocks of DNA. This isn't pseudoscience. This is peer-reviewed research published in scientific journals like Nature and Science. The molecules of life are raining down on us, have been for millennia. The question is, why? Are these alien relics a coincidence of chemistry? Or are they deliberate seeding mechanisms, organic packages sent out across the stars to transform lifeless planets into fertile ground? Is life as we know it not a cosmic accident, but a carefully designed algorithm being executed across time and space? And if we are the product of such a system, then what does that make us? The truth, it seems, is embedded not in flying saucers or blurry photos, but in stone. Ancient stones from the stars. Each artifact, each strange mineral or microscopic spiral is a puzzle piece. But to what puzzle? And who designed it? We don't know yet. But one thing is certain, the sky is not empty. It never was. And sometimes the things it sends us are not just from beyond this world, they're from beyond our understanding. So the next time you see a meteor flash across the night sky, remember, it might just be a rock, or it might be something else, something ancient, something intelligent, something watching and waiting.